Totally understand that.
And and I had one person. No, okay, I had three people, but one person who was actually paying me. Like two other people who obviously very close to me. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. I got Shayna, my sister, and Danae. Like I've got two people who are very close to me who I believe everybody knows who that is. And if you don't know who I am, then you don't know who they are. And if you know who I am now, then you know who they are. Anyway,
Facts.
so the point is, I had one person who was paying me tell me like, hey, bro, it's not adding up. Why are you telling me why are you telling me that you're struggling when you're supposed to be this guy? And
Yes.
and the thing is, like, again, I didn't have nobody told me, nobody showed me what being like truly authentic, I guess, is and what it's supposed to look like. So I thought that telling all of your secrets and telling all of your like emotions and going into like I guess the painful stuff is what is actually authentic.
That's transparency, vulnerability.
So authenticity, vulnerability, transparency, those three things are what I know inherently in my heart and in my spirit are going to help me in business.
Yes.
However, there was this bridge, or sorry, there was this, there's this thing that like, I didn't understand how to differentiate transparency, vulnerability, and authenticity with just saying too much shit.
Yeah.
And so people and honestly, and so and if you were my client in the past, this is perfect. I am so sorry for telling you all of my shit. That was never that was never the purpose. That was never the plan. I was really just trying to be authentic.
No, absolutely.
And so I think now I'm pulling back